guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on LENOVO Tab M8. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so I'm gonna show the other trick for that. In the first step, open your web browser. And go to the google.com. Sorry about the setup. Now click on the small camera icon. And if you see something like that, just go back and switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now click on the small camera icon again and tap on the upload the file. Allow permissions to the files and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Now click on the done and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google picture database. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.